Hi, everyone. Well, I need to thank everyone on Team Hurricane for an absolutely incredible performance over the weekend. Thank you for riding, running, walking, volunteering. This was a very special event for us, and especially for our team. Over 850 members of our team gathered together, and we're on track for raising over $1.4 million, which is $400,000 more than we raised last year. We're not yet done with all the fundraising, so please continue to ask your friends, family, whoever, to donate. As you know, every dollar goes directly for cancer research at Sylvester. We're on a mission here, and each and every one of us working together will get us across the finish line. So continue to be safe. Celebrate this amazing success that we've had. Go Canes.